Hello, I'm Paul McSherry, Director of Flight Hauraki Limited. Around us here you can see our new hangar at the North Shore Airfield. We undertook the construction of this hangar because at the airfield, where there's over 150 aircraft, there's a very, very serious shortage of hangar space. The airfield, for anyone who knows the location, is just north of Auckland at Dairy Flat, and it's very difficult land for building. It's basically old swamp with lime rock underneath and almost no drainage. So we had quite a lot of problems designing and building a suitable building. The subcontractors associated with Macbuilt who did the job here were pretty good. They got in with their diggers and pulled everything out, and we managed to get all the subfloor and the floor slab in reasonably within budget and fairly much within time, even though it was the latter part of 2009, which was a particularly wet season. The building itself is light steel construction. It was designed by engineers associated with Macbuilt Construction. Probably the most impressive part of the whole thing was the speed of erection. Once we got out of the ground with the floor slab, the building itself went up in about 3 or 4 weeks. And the 3 or 4 weeks were approximately October 2009. And of course, needless to say, equinox winds blown like crazy the whole time. We had a nor'wester, or in fact westerly winds that come in across the site here, and cranes with big, 60 metre long trusses hanging on them and things. It was quite an act, so it was a bit more difficult than I think anyone anticipated, but it went ahead quite well. Problems that we found here were pretty well managed overall. The biggest problems, I think, were associated with council requirements. Resource consents and building consents and things are pretty complex on a job like this, and Greg fortunately had some good connections within the council, and he was able to make things work. The reason we went with Macbuilt, I did look at a couple of other options, but we went with Macbuilt really because they were recommended by the boys out at Parakai Airfield, just across to the west of us here. Parakai had, the Lockies at Parakai had previous experience with Greg McDonald and with his building company, and they recommended Greg, and I'm happy to say that their recommendation has certainly paid dividends for us. The overall result is, well, we're very happy with it. We've got a great building in a good location. Believe it or not, it's got a 50-year building guarantee on it. Not quite sure why we need a 50-year guarantee, because I'll be 120 or thereabouts, or 110 or something by the time the guarantee expires. But really, I think we can say that we're very happy with everything. Good economical design, well executed, good result.